Doctors in Russia are mining crypto using hospital servers. Kucoin and 15 other exchanges face heat from the South Korean government. Seoul jumping on the stablecoin regulation train. Crypto.com users now able to shop at over 175 OTR stores. E-commerce Behemoth comes up with their own ERC20 token. Uzbekistan blocks foreign crypto exchanges from operating. South Korea working on crypto custody services. FTX warned for misleading deposit security information. Raoul says this is the opportunity of a lifetime. Gregg Foss explains why Bitcoin education is necessary. Hello and welcome to the Daily Crypto. We are back with the hottest crypto news for you so you can make some real sweet profits. But before we start with the video, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index for today. After the recent dump in prices, it has dropped to 29 from 33, representing growing market fear. As of recording this video, Bitcoin is trading at around 21,100, whereas Ethereum is sitting at 1624. With that being said, let's start off with today's video. After being captured by authorities reportedly operating an illegal mining setup in a hospital designed to treat patients suffering from coronavirus, a Russian medical specialist faces the possibility of spending up to 2 years in prison. In southern Siberia, the information security specialist had been given the responsibility of overseeing a state-operated hospital. In February of 2021, the man started mining for unknown tokens and eventually managed to link his own mining rigs to the server that was located in the hospital. The room that was used appears to have been vacant as the demand for ventilators and other similar pieces of equipment in the city began to gradually decrease, and the specialist appears to have made full use of this opportunity. South Korean financial regulators have taken action against 16 international cryptocurrency exchanges, including the Mexican heavyweight MEXC and the popular cryptocurrency trading platform Kucoin. The exchanges are accused of failing to comply with local guidelines and of allegedly courting domestic clients without operating permits. According to the news from the previous year, officials have written letters to 27 cryptocurrency exchanges that they believe are deliberately targeting South Koreans. They warn the businesses that they risked being subject to sanctions if they persisted in their efforts to find customers in South Korea. All cryptocurrency exchanges operating on South Korean land are required to submit applications for licenses under new legal regulations that went into effect last year. Acquiring a certification in information management from a government-run technology organization and negotiating partnerships with domestic banking institutions are also required steps in this intricate procedure. Any company that is not based in South Korea will find it extremely difficult to accomplish this goal. The Financial Supervisory Service, a regulatory organization, has indicated that a new Digital Assets Framework Act will deal with matters pertaining to non-security tokens. On the other hand, crypto assets that are classified as securities will be subject to regulation in accordance with the terms of the existing Financial Investment Services and Capital Markets Act. However, Seoul aspires to proceed in the same direction as its international partners, particularly with regard to the issue of stablecoin legislation. In particular, the Financial Services Authority and other authorities have urged that policies need to be formulated in a manner that is consistent with legislation in other countries. Customers of Crypto.com wallets can now use their cryptocurrency to buy everyday items such as gasoline, coffee, and sandwiches at 175 on-the-run fuel and convenience store locations in the states of Victoria, South Australia, and Western Australia by using the Crypto.com app to scan a QR code on their phone. According to the release, OTR's parent company, Peregrine Corp, has plans to expand the capability to an additional 250 retail locations around the country. In Brazil, the dominant Latin American e-commerce platform, Mercado Libre, has launched Mercado Coin, its own cryptocurrency. The company, which is sometimes referred to as the LATM region's answer to Amazon, has made a number of optimistic steps in relation to cryptocurrencies in recent months. The business started taking Bitcoin as payment last year, and in January of this year, the business made investments in Mercado Bitcoin and Paxos, two of the major cryptocurrency trading platforms in the area. And now the company has its own cryptocurrency, an Ethereum blockchain-based ECR20 token. At first glance, the company seems eager to treat Mercado Coin as a loyalty reward, but it actually aims to treat it as a full-fledged crypto asset and offer it as a tradable token on Mercado Pago. The company stated that, for now, it will not seek to list the coin on significant exchanges outside of its ecosystem, but that it might be able to do so in the future thanks to its agreements with Paxos and Mercado Bitcoin. Uzbekistan's central government has blocked internet access to illegal cryptocurrency exchanges headquartered outside the country, citing the necessity of doing so in order to safeguard its residents from fraudsters. According to a statement that was released by the government of Uzbekistan, increased activity has been observed on foreign cryptocurrency exchanges that provide services to citizens of the country. This is despite the fact that these businesses have not obtained the necessary license to offer their services in Uzbekistan. According to the study, the Korea Group in South Korea is the only foreign cryptocurrency exchange to have been granted a license in Uzbekistan thus far. The group acquired its license in 2019. The securities division of the company that is South Korea's second-largest business group has decided to enter the cryptocurrency market as a part of this endeavor. The securities division will collaborate with a local commercial bank. SK Securities, which is a member of the SK corporate empire, will reportedly create a digital asset custody company in partnership with DGB Daegu Bank, which is a regional commercial bank with its headquarters in the city of Daegu, as reported by the media site The Public. Infinite Block, a firm that provides cryptocurrency custody services, has been acquired by the parties for an amount that has not been disclosed. This transaction is the first major merger and acquisition deal involving cryptocurrencies made by a South Korean securities company. SK Securities also mentioned that it planned to investigate the possibility of initiating security token offers and NFTs. Additionally, the company intends to launch what it calls management services for cryptocurrency. On Friday, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation issued a cease and desist warning to FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange controlled by Sam Bankman-Fried. The warning instructed the company to stop misleading customers about the insurance status of their funds and demand that FTX stop doing business immediately. 5 cryptocurrency companies, including FTX US, have received a letter from the FDIC. The United States government does not guarantee the safety of cryptocurrency held through brokerages, in contrast to savings held at banks in the country. Next up is Raoul, who's going to explain why this bear market is a life-changing chance for everyone. It's hard to ignore him because he makes a very strong point. Raoul believes the bottom is in for crypto and will only go up from here. However, for the sake of argument, even if Bitcoin drops another 50% from here and creates new lows, the upside is still massive. He explains how this is an opportunity of a lifetime because 50% downside risk looks small when you look at the potential 10 to 20 times upside. This is what has been happening every Bitcoin halving cycle, whenever Bitcoin drops 80 to 85%. Historically, the prices have bounced harder than before and went on to make new all-time highs. Lastly, we have Gregg Foss explaining how vital it is for people to be educated about Bitcoin if they want to change the financial system for the better. Bitcoin is much more than just a piece of software. It's a competing system, as well as a movement with the goal of mending the traditional financial system that we currently have, which is broken. On this earth, there are only 2 types of people, those who comprehend Bitcoin and those who do not. According to Gregg, it is essential for the success of Bitcoin that we educate as many people as we can about the cryptocurrency and spread the word about its existence. If we had a better understanding of what Bitcoin is and how it works, we would invest in it immediately and never sell it again. Which was the most interesting thing in the video for you? Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon because we upload daily and you don't want to miss out.